In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart layers effectively. Whether you're new to Lucidchart or just looking to make your diagrams more streamlined and efficient, you're in exactly the right spot. Today, we'll walk through some straightforward steps to help you master the use of layers within your diagrams. To kick things off, let's navigate to the Lucidchart website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Lucidchart dashboard. Welcome. This is where all the magic unfolds. From here, the Documents section awaits your attention, typically located on the sidebar. By clicking on it, you'll be presented with a list of all the files you're currently working on, as well as any that have been shared with you. The next step is to pinpoint the specific diagram you wish to manage layers for. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click to open the document. Now, let's delve into the process of organizing those layers. To begin, direct your gaze to the top menu bar where you'll find View. Clicking on this will bring down a drop-down menu packed with a range of options. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Layers option, which will cause the Layers panel to make its appearance. In this panel, a plethora of features is available at your fingertips. One of the standout capabilities is the ability to assign new layers. This is a fantastic tool to group various elements of your diagram together, providing you with superior management capabilities. Now, assigning different shapes to various layers becomes a breeze, thanks to this feature. It's incredibly useful, as it allows you to toggle visibility with ease, helping you focus on given sections without the clutter of unrelated components. If further layout management is on your agenda, clicking on Arrange unveils choices like Center Back or Bring Forward. These commands give you the power to dictate how elements are stacked, effectively enhancing the composition of your work. And a key feature not to overlook is the option to lock or unlock layers within the panel. Locking layers can be a real lifesaver, preventing accidental edits while you're refining other aspects of your diagram. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the secrets of using layers in Lucidchart to organize, manage, and refine your diagrams with efficiency and ease. Practicing these steps will not only make your current projects simpler to handle, but also prepare you for tackling more complex diagrams in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and happy diagramming.